Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add your Google account on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on You and Google. You will be landed to You and Google settings page. On this page, you can find an option to sync your Google account to Chrome. Click on Turn on Sync. You will be asked to log into your Google account. Enter your email address and click Next. Now enter your password and click Next. A window pops up on your screen. Click Yes, I am in to turn it on. That's it. Your Google account is added on Google Chrome. This is how you can add your Google account on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.